What's up, YouTube? So today this video is going to be for my Suzuki Samurai, Jimny, and Suzuki Gypsy community. This may work in the geo trackers, but I'm not sure. I do have a buddy who has one, so I will have to test that and I will let you guys know. But anyways, let's get to it. So if you are looking for a nice replacement seat for your Jimny, your Samurai, or your Gypsy, these right here are O'Reilly's Auto Parts racing seats, which they used to also be known as Checker Auto Parts or something along those lines. So here, their factory seats will bolt almost perfectly up to the original Samurai rails. As you can see, there's the original hole for mounting the original seat on these rails, and I had to drill one about right here with a 5/16 bit, just one hole. Should be easy to mark if you mount your first spot and then just mark it right here while you're test fitting it, and then you'll just drill right through that one spot, put your bolts in, and you'll be good to go. So, and you have to do that for both sides, just one tiny hole on each side, and then she should bolt right up, and you should be able to bolt them right into the Samurai. These are a nice replacement from the originals if you're looking for something that's a little better. The originals are nice, don't get me wrong, I love them, but these ones for off-road, they hold your butt from sliding around, hold your your torso from sliding around, and they don't look that bad in the Samurai. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and let me know what else you guys want to know about my Samurai here, and I'll try to keep you guys all informed and up to date on everything that we got going on here. So anyways, yeah, they are a little tight in here. They do have movement there, so they're not too tight to move, so you can slide them forward, backward, whatever you need, lean them back. These are racing seats that do lean back. They're not ones that stay still. And then your seat belt stays nice and right over that, so it doesn't fall back there where it's too hard to get because of how tight it is. So she works out. Now this is for my in particular Samurai. It might be different on yours. My passenger side, all 4 bolts bolt right up. However, on my driver's side, for whatever reason, the 2 rear ones bolt right up and the inner front bolts up, but for whatever reason my front door side is about 1/4 of an inch off, and so I'm probably going to come right in here, move the hole over, and then drill it right here, and then that way I can hopefully move this in about 1/4 of an inch and get that bolted in. And I will let you guys know in another video how well that goes. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice replacement option for your seats, O'Reilly's Auto Parts racing seats. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in another video.